Hey y'all, welcome to CAJUNRNEWBBQ. I'm Bones. Glad you could join me today. Well, today's video was supposed to be short and sweet, but we got a little addition going on to it. See, Walmart had a sale that I just couldn't pass up, so got a little addition. Today, we're doing up some ribeye steaks with Uncle Steve's thick meat shake, but we're going to smother them in a mushroom and crawfish cream sauce. Sounds good, doesn't it? But the addition is that we're also going to do up some lobster tails with Uncle Steve's Gator Shake. And we're going to put a little bit of that crawfish and mushroom cream sauce with it also. So let's go ahead and get to it. Look at these beautiful steaks and lobster tails. I'm going to go ahead and first start throwing down some of this thick meat shake. Patting it in. Now we're going to go ahead and cut these lobster tails in half. Put out some of this Gator Shake. We're ready to go. Go ahead and start with your pan on medium heat. Then go ahead and put some olive oil in there. Let that start warming up some. Next, go ahead and add your shallots. And your garlic into the pan. Let that cook for a minute. After they've had a chance to saute some, go ahead and add in some mushrooms. You don't want to add the whole batch in. There we go, about half the container. Let that sweat in for a minute. Might want to add a little bit more oil. After about 2 minutes, go ahead now and add your crawfish tails. And your seasoning. Go ahead and stir that all up now. Now you want to let that cook for a couple minutes. Let all that marry in. Now it's time to go ahead and turn this all the way up to high. Add in your heavy whipping cream. I'll say about 6 to 8 ounces. As much Tabasco as you can handle. And 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Go ahead and stir that up. Bring this to a boil and let it reduce down by half. We've reduced it now. We'll add in 3 tablespoons of butter. And 1/4 of a cup of green onions. Take a steak. Here we go. Here we have it. We're gonna go ahead and start off with that lobster first, since I'm the only one in the house that likes it. Treat for me. Can't go wrong with Uncle Steve's Gator Shake on it. Love that citrus punch. Really great. Nice and buttery. Turned out real great. Gonna go ahead and move over to that steak now. About medium. Nice and peppery bite to it. Can't go wrong with that thick meat shake on it. His original for beef. Awesome flavor. Now time to try that mushroom crawfish cream sauce. Oh yeah. Nice buttery, creamy texture to it. Nice punch of flavor from that Tabasco. Nice heat. Don't know why a lot of places really don't serve this. Think they'd make a good bit on it. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, subscribe, comment below. Thank you. Have a good day.